bud? Hey there. So it's Whiskey's birthday tomorrow. She's turning 8. Whiskey, come here. I'm gonna cook up some steak for us. I usually do this every year for her. Wait. Hey, wait. Not the camping part, but I usually make a steak dinner for her, on her birthday, or like around her birthday. She's turning 8. I can't believe she's gonna be 8. They don't live long enough, you know? This is my steak. With flavor, of course. Her steak, no flavor. Oh yeah. Why'd I do that? Damn. Oh my gosh. I burnt it. Burnt potato. Oh no. Oh no. It's alright. Oh no. Come. Whiskey, look at me. Okay, go. Well, now that Whiskey's had a birthday dinner, it's my turn to cook the steak. I am currently trying my new winter sleeping bag, and I love it so far I'm warm, and I got like a long and wide one because I knew I want to sleep in the sleeping bag, but I also knew that I don't want like a mummy style sleeping bag because I like to move around when I sleep. It's rated for minus 30 Celsius, but I know that it's not real. Like the comfortable, I think it's minus 15 or minus 20. So tonight it's only minus 1, so I think I should be good. I'll be nice and cozy because I'm already pretty warm. My toes are warm, which is so key for winter sleeping. The only thing about these sleeping bags that you sleep in, I guess all sleeping bags you sleep in, but like when you fart, there's nowhere for it to go. Like I just farted and like, where does it go? Like, it has to come up to my face. I don't like that. I'm going to call it a night. I brought my snowshoes. So tomorrow we're gonna go snowshoeing and just spend the day outside doing outside things. Because there was a huge snowstorm this weekend. Like 30 to 35 centimeters of snow. So it's like there's been a lot of snow, and it's the first snowstorm of the year. So it's pretty exciting. I really enjoy winter and snow when it's not too cold and not in the city. Because in the city, the snow becomes like slushy and it's like not pretty. But out in nature, we're like in the countryside, the snow is just like so white and everything is so quiet. It's just really beautiful. Anyways, I'm excited to snowshoe tomorrow. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. The sleeping bag. Oh, it's so good. I was warm all night. Happy birthday, bud. The tarp fell. They're still wet. First snowstorm of the year. To celebrate Whiskey's birthday. Hey, Whisk. So last night the tarp fell and my chair broke. I mean, I think it's an easy fix. The leg came out, like usually springs like this, but it broke. So I don't know. I guess I'll bring it back to the store and see if they'll fix it. Happy birthday. Terrible. I forgot to put a filter. God damn it, Ting. even awake yet. What a freaking beautiful morning it turned out to be. This has got to be, I don't want to say my favorite weather, but it's one of my favorite weathers. The snow, the sun. It's not too cold to be outside. We're actually going to spend the day here, so we're going to go snowshoeing for a bit. And then just enjoy the day outside. It's beautiful today. So this is my first time ever owning a truck or a vehicle that's all-wheel drive or even 4x4. So my Tacoma is a 4x4, and I didn't know how amazing it would be, I guess. Like last year I got it only in March, so it wasn't like winter was already kind of over. We had like some snow but not a lot, but this year's my first real winter with it, and this weekend was the first, I'm out of breath. This weekend was the first snowstorm of the year, and we got, I think I mentioned already, we got like 25 to 35 centimeters of snow. And I just drove right in with my truck, like no problem. It wasn't de-snowed or paved. Like this road is it's just like rocks and dirt under. And I just drove right in with no problem. Obviously I put it on 4-low, and it's the first time that I really experienced 4-low because I don't go anywhere that I need 4-low. But damn, I just like rolled right in, going 1 kilometer per hour, and I just like rolled right in. I'm so impressed and amazed. I mean, I hope I can get out. I'm sure I can get out, but that's a problem for later. There's the truck right there. And my dog. I just rolled right in. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? So cool. So cool. You ready? Let's go. Come on. I'm so out of shape. We just climbed up all of that. I'm just taking a little break. It's so beautiful out here. It's crazy because whiskey has changed my life so much. I was always active in my life. Like I played a lot of sports and was just really active, but mostly like team sports in school. And then ever since school stopped, I tried going to the gym, but I think I'm more of a team sports kind of person. So I was kind of like really lazy, couch potatoing. And then I got a dog. Not just any dog, but a active German Shepherd Husky dog who loves winter and who loves to be outside. So she really changed my life in a way that she made me more active, and I don't even know if I would be into camping if it wasn't for her. I really don't know. And you know, other ways that she's changed my life. Just like unconditional love and responsibility, and you know, of course there's good and bad, but it's 98% good. What they don't tell you is that parenthood or dog parenthood comes with a lot of guilt. I leave for work, I feel guilty. She's alone at home for too long, I feel guilty. She's at my friends for too long because I have to be away, I feel guilty. You know, it's just a lot of guilt. But can't really imagine my life without her. Just a good girl waiting in the snow for her papa. Found a hunting cabin, I think. Let's go. I didn't bring a water bottle. I feel like I'm making out with the tree. We're almost home. Post-hike nap. I cleaned up a little bit, took the tarp down, and now I'm just grilling some chicken over the fire before we head out. My chair broke, so I have to squat, which is fine. But because of the fire, I had it going for like hours yesterday, so it melted all the snow around it, so now it's just like all around, it just kind of slides in and it's icy. So every time I walk by and there's a fire, I feel like I might die and like dive into the fire or something, so so I'm trying not to slide into the fire. Why does food taste so good when it's cooked over the fire? Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you're having a great week. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, happy birthday to Whiskey. Forlow, baby. What a freaking shit show. So it's 2 days later now. You know how I was so excited about having a 4x4 and how I made it in no problem on 4 low? Well, getting out, I was turning, and then I guess there was too much snow, or I don't know what happened, but I kind of like slid back into a ditch, and I just couldn't get out. 4 low, 4 high, traction boards, nothing helped. I was just in a ditch. So you can't really see very well on camera, but this is the ditch that I fell in, and you can see the tire marks. So there's a rock, and then there's a tree. My tire was right here. I was stuck right here. I couldn't even open my driver door to get out because the tree, I was that close to the tree. I just like slowly slid in, and I tried to get out, but then I just slid back more. It was it's crazy, and it's just more rocks, you know, so it's just like more obstacles. My neighbor ended up having to come help me. He tried to get me out with his ATV. Didn't work. I called CAA. Because I'm like in the woods, and they wouldn't even come in and try to help. So I had to wait for another neighbor to come up here to his cottage, because he has a big tractor, and he was finally able to get me out with his tractor. And we had to like strap the back of the truck to another tree so that I'm not like sliding even more into the tree and into the hole. Wow, people here are so freaking nice. Anyways, all to say that my truck is out, I'm driving it, I'm heading home. I'm gonna grab lunch somewhere because I'm starving. Happy holidays, and if you don't celebrate, you know, just have a great time off. If you don't get time off, well, I hope you're enjoying your day anyways. See you next time.